Minasan, o hisashiburi, konbanwa minasan. So yun guys, it's been a while na hindi ako nag-upload ng mga videos at tutorial, pero this December guys, Christmas gift ko na sa inyong lahat. So starting this weekend, mag-i-start tayong mag-provide ng mga free tutorials, syempre related sa Japanese, and also sa mga July 2024 na student visa na gustong mag-apply po, we are now recruiting na po, and kailangan magpa-reserve kayo ng slot kasi first come first serve po. Ulitin ko, sa lahat ng mag-student visa, kailangan nyong magpa-reserve ng slot. At the same time, mag-enroll po, at least magkaroon kayo ng N5 180 hours. So guys, itong JLPT reviewer guys, this week darating na siya sa mga gusto pong hahabol. N5, N4, and N3, and N2 lang, walang N1. So meron na din siyang answer sheet. So reviewer na may answer sheet pa. Again, sa lahat ng mag-a-avail po nito, this week na po siya makukuha or darating. Again, message lang po kayo. So yun guys, this coming weekend, mag-i-start na tayo ng mga free tutorial. I try also to conduct a live tutorial para po masubaybayan nyo or lahat po maka-join. Again, it's free, makikinig lang po kayo, and this is for everyone na gustong matuto ng Japanese. Again, sa lahat po ng gustong mag-avail ng aming private tutorial at student visa, please message us. Ja, minasan, korekara mo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Ja, mata ne, bye bye.
Is studying, living, and working in Japan part of your wish list? Wish granted with Beyond Visa and Educational Consultancy Services. We are a student visa consultancy firm that assists young professionals on how to study in Japan through our work and study program. We provide transparency in our program, having a company owner who has been in Japan on a student visa program for 2 years, studying the Japanese language. Our friendly staff also speaks Japanese and will guide you through the entire application process. Our partner language schools in Japan are accommodating. Free one-on-one orientation over the phone may be provided. We also offer private online tutorial in Japanese language and Japanese flashcards. We execute what we promise and only promise what we can deliver. Be the next Filipino student visa holder in Japan. Messages for more details.